Here's how I became a millionaire at 24 years old. I built a business that was very scalable, was a good trend when I first started, which was 4 years ago. It was building a social media marketing agency. There was a lot of market share for people online who were, looking to build marketing agencies because most of them were in person. They were just brick and mortar businesses. And I got on this trend when it was like somewhat hot, and then it started to really take off. And now it's like very streamlined. Now it's very like profound to have a marketing agency. So that was number one, catching on a trend. Number two was, not caring about the money in the beginning. I needed to acquire skill sets. I needed to know how to do offer creation, sales, copywriting, funnels, automations, pricing ladders, ascension models, like so many upsells, downsells, cross sells, e-commerce, product research, finding winning products. Like there's so many different things that I had to learn, Google ads, Facebook ads, like the list goes on. And I spent more time learning skill sets than just trying to do the whole trial and error. Even though that's smart and good, it's just not as quick as you just simply learning really high net worth skill sets from high net worth individuals who are making way more money than you or what you want to be making. Number three was I did the 3X rule, which is anything that I ever bought, I would always say to myself, hey, listen, if I can't buy this thing 3 times, should I buy it? Or am I gonna be okay swallowing the fact that I'm gonna buy this thing 3 times? So if I were to get a new computer, go and get a MacBook, $2,000, let's just say, right? You get the nice one. Am I okay spending $6,000 right now? And that was a really good money, money saving, even though I don't believe in saving, but like a really good money tool that allowed me to then accumulate more wealth and put those, put that money that I would have spent into other areas to then grow it and push it into the business and help me with more needle movers that were making me the most money with the least amount of effort. And the last tip is that I never let anybody change who I was, right? I know a lot of people say this, like stick to your gut. Like sticking to your gut, it's such an underrated skill set that people don't have because your mind is going a million miles an hour every single day. And you're trying to get people's opinions. You're trying to look at YouTube videos. You're trying to go on Google and find out what this answer is to your problem. Meanwhile, it's always right here and your gut will never lead you down the wrong path because your gut is you. It's not Google. It's not some other person. Yes, I know you want to take advice from people who are smarter than you, but at the same time, when you're in a pinch and your back's against the wall, always listen to this.